Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at a few stocks that we have been tracking since the beginning of the week, and also we will be looking at earnings when mining Ethereum. Today is Friday, the 7th of May 2021. So to begin with, I still have both my workers online, and so far I have mined about 69.17 US dollars. That's about 5-6 days worth. And also we can take a quick look here, and you can see my daily earnings have dropped significantly to $7.47, which equates to about maybe $3.50 for each of my rigs. Weekly has gone down to 52 and monthly has gone down to 227. Really a dismal performance, and I'm not very happy with it. Well, what can we do? We just keep hashing. All right, as you can see here, my hash rate has really dropped. Ideally that would be the kind of hash rate I would have for just one of my rigs, so I might have to restart the rigs and make sure everything is working great. All right, for the stocks, we're gonna look, the time is about 2:37 Central, so the markets will be closing here shortly. And again, this is a Friday, and as you guys know, most Fridays people take out their money from the market and they go into crypto so that they can keep on trading over the weekend. So VATZARD is up 3.82%. It has the ticker symbol VXRT, and it's a biotechnology company based in San Francisco in California, USA. 5 days, if you look at the graph, we had that drop, and then starting about Thursday, which was yesterday, May 6th, it started picking up slowly. So for the intermediate term, this might be a good investment. The second stock we're gonna look at is Hall of Fame Resort and Entertainment Company with the ticker symbol HOFV. And as you can see, they had a nice little pop this morning with the price going up to about 3.62 US dollars at 10:45 a.m. Central Time. And right now, as we are heading towards the close of the session, we have the stock down 0.67%. And we can take a quick look here at the 5-day, and you see that it continues on its slow and almost inevitable decline. Until when? Nobody knows. The next stock we're gonna look at is EBON International Holdings Inc. with the ticker symbol EBON, EBON. So today EBON is up 3.46%. It's up to $3.46, which is a 4.68% increase. And you can look at the 5-day, and you see that EBON has also had a decline, and from yesterday to today we have registered a modest increase in the value of the stock. So as you can see, as we head towards the end of today's session, we have a nice little pop there. It's gone up to 5.11%. So that is a stock to keep a close eye on. I think next week we might actually see some kind of recovery in the value of this stock. The next stock we're gonna look at is Dolphin Entertainment with the ticker symbol DLPN, and it's listed on the NASDAQ. And as you can see, for the day, Dolphin Entertainment Inc. is up 0.31%. And if we look at the 5-day chart, we see that it is also declining slowly. The DLPN is in the same space as HOFV, and they deal with non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and that is an area which we predict and we think will have a lot of growth in the coming years. The next thing we're gonna look at is Safemoon. And Safemoon basically practically doubled its value for those who are holding, and it's now trading at quite a premium compared to about 2-3 days ago. So as you can see, the number of followers they have on Twitter has exploded, about 40,000 within the past about 48 hours. It's just crazy. And again, they still have their issue about how to buy Safemoon. Not a very easy process, but a very rewarding one if you follow the process. And once you do it once, you realize it's not so difficult. So Safemoon, if you think you want to join this digital token, I think they have quite a bit of room to grow. I have a very small position there, and I think so far, the position I have is mainly to keep track of what's happening, and I think, yeah, they've done quite good so far in the past 48 hours. All right, let's continue. Here we look at the price of Safemoon. Let me refresh the page. And you can see that it has gone up quite a bit. It's up 19.81%. Depending on how you look at it, I think this is over the past 24 hours. Starting from this point in time, if you shift back 24 hours, I believe that's how they look at it. But if you look at the daily, I think it's up about 30-something%. So that's quite a nice pop for those who are holding the asset. And the way it works, if you missed my previous videos, is that each time somebody sells or buys into Safemoon, 10% gets taken from the amount of the transaction, of which 5% is converted to the Safemoon token and burned, and the other 5% is redistributed to all the people who are holding Safemoon as of the time of the transaction. So if things work the way they should, and I think I have no reason to believe they're not, Safemoon should, over time, depending on how people leave or join the network, it should go up in value and quickly. The next token we're going to talk about is Ethereum. And you can see the price of Ethereum is $3,518. It's up 1.61%. And over the past 24 hours, you can see Bitcoin is up 3.21%, trading at $57,674. Ethereum is up 1.61%. XRP down 0.74%. Dogecoin is up 10.52%, trading at 63 cents. And Stellar Lumens is up 0.31%. All right, let's continue. And this one is for Dogecoin. As we discussed, it's up 10.32%. You can see the 12-hour graph. Let's go to the 12 hours if it will come up. So you can see Dogecoin really hit a peak at about 2:19 p.m. Oh, that's Central Daylight Time. Yeah, of about 65 cents, and then since then it dropped down a little bit. But from yesterday, you can see it was trading at about 64 and slowly declined until about 10:32 a.m. when it started its climb upwards. So yeah, Doge is doing pretty good for those who are holding the current the asset. And just a reminder, Elon Musk, who has been dubbed the dog father, he will be on Saturday Night Live. Nobody knows if he's going to promote Dogecoin when he gets on there, but he did put out a statement that people should be careful with their investments. So pay really close attention, as there might be huge or massive swings in the price of Dogecoin going into Elon Musk's appearance on Saturday Night Live. All right, so this is CoinMarketCap. Let's reload and look at the top coins, digital assets. Of course, number one is still Bitcoin, followed closely by Ethereum. Not closely. With Ethereum is second, and with about half the market capitalization of Bitcoin. Third is Binance Coin, BNB. Fourth is Dogecoin. Fifth, XRP. And then you have Tether, Cardano, Polkadot, Bitcoin Cash, and 10th position you have Litecoin. So those are the major digital tokens that you can buy. All right, we have another stock we're gonna talk about real quick as we head to the close of market. It's 2:46, so we have just about 15-14 minutes before close of market. OCGN Inc. is down 3.39%. Remember, about a few 4 or 5 days ago they had a nice pop, which you can see there, but since then they've just been declining, and the whole week has been a bad week for OCGN with the ticker symbol OCGN. Today's session, you can see they had a nice rise, but it just wasn't enough to bring them out of the red, so they're still trading at $9.27, which is down 3.24% compared to last session. Next, we're going to talk about Microvision Inc., MVIS, and you can see they're up 1%, and there's been talk about them signing a major deal to produce stuff for a major automaker. I don't know the details about the deal, but you would expect that will definitely have an impact on the stock valuation of Microvision with the ticker symbol MVIS. So as you can see, they're up 0.93%, and we'll have to just wait, see the aftermarket and beginning of next week to see if that news pans out to be true, and then if it's reflected in the value of the stock. We continue with our next stock, which we have been tracking, which is FAMI, FAMI, the mushroom grower, which is based in China. Today they did disappointingly, and you can see they went down 2.30%. For the 5 days, they've just had a steady decline, so that's not looking very good. We'll keep a close watch and see what happens starting next week. But they closed the week a bit weaker than probably a bit stronger if you look at, let's see, 5 days. Yeah, much weaker than they started the week. And for today, they're a bit higher than how they started, because they started really low, as you can see right here at 39 cents, and they're up about 2.33%. So this is a look again at Dogecoin. You can see it's up 10.29%, and S&P is up 0.74%. The Dow is up 0.64%. Nasdaq 0.89%. Russell 2000 is up 1.22%. You can see crude oil is also up 0.19%. And the price of gold is up 0.93%, trading at $1,832. All right, we continue with two more stocks before we're done. So the next stock we're gonna talk about is KBS Fashion Group Limited, and it's a company based in China, and you can see they're up 0.62% for the day, and for the week they've just had this very beautiful upward trend. So this might be a stock which is in its in a growth phase, and I wouldn't be too worried to throw a few dollars into this kind of stock if I were so inclined. Again, this is not financial advice. I'm just talking about the stocks that caught my eye. The final stock we're going to talk about is Express Inc., and it's also a fashion retailer. It's an American company, and you can see they're down 3.28%. Very volatile market these days, and especially so on the Fridays as people move their money into the crypto space. So for the 5 days, you can see Express has made some good gains, and right now they're giving back some of those gains as we end the session this Friday. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys soon over the weekend as we continue to actively trade crypto and also to hash for Ethereum. Thanks for watching, and see you guys on the next video. Bye.